This is one of the most exciting archaeological discoveries in recent years. An unearthed tablet contains a star map of a galaxy we've only recently discovered with modern telescopes. So how did ancient civilizations know this? We break down the archaeological evidence, expert debates, and the mind-bending implications of ancient knowledge that defies modern science. It all starts with this clay tablet. It was found at the ancient Mesopotamian site of Shuruppak, which is located in what is now southern Iraq. The site dates back to around 2600 BC and was one of the earliest settlements in human history. The tablet itself is much more recent, however, dating from around 1800 BC or about 3,800 years ago. That makes it about 2,000 years old. What makes the artifact so special is what's inscribed on it. After researchers conducted several scientific tests on the tablet, they realized that the markings on it correspond to a galaxy cluster named Stephan's Quintet. What's truly incredible is that Stephan's Quintet wasn't actually discovered until 2000 with modern telescopes. This means that ancient Mesopotamians had charted a galaxy that remained hidden from the universe for thousands of years. The galaxy itself is located in the Pegasus constellation, around 350 million light-years away from Earth. While modern astronomers knew there was something in the sky where the galaxy is located, it was empty. Until 2000, that new technology allowed them to get a clear look at Stephan's. With no way of knowing the accuracy of an ancient clay tablet, many scientists were skeptical of the findings. One scientist who has been critical of the research is Dr. David H. Kelly from the University of Toronto. He believes that the article misrepresented the nature of the discovery and overstated its significance. However, other experts are standing by the findings and argue that they have strong evidence to support their claims. In a statement, the researchers behind the study said, "We presented our cautious and well-substantiated interpretation of the tablet's astronomical encoding. Some aspects of our interpretation, including the identification of the Pleiades, have been questioned. But if the ancient Mesopotamians really did know about this distant galaxy, then why didn't they share their knowledge with the rest of the world? Why did they keep it a secret for so long?" Some experts say that the reason ancient civilizations lost so much knowledge over the years is because so many books and texts were destroyed or simply misplaced. For example, the Library of Alexandria was one of the largest and most comprehensive collections of texts in the ancient world. It contained everything from mathematical formulas to astronomical observations. But in the year 48 BC, the library mysteriously burned down and most of its contents were lost forever. This means that there could be countless pieces of ancient knowledge that we will never recover. Others argue that ancient people didn't really understand the concept of sharing information. For example, ancient civilizations often kept their knowledge secret in order to maintain their power and control over others. The Egyptians, for example, kept many of their advanced building techniques and astronomical observations secret in order to prevent other civilizations from becoming more powerful than them. So it's possible that ancient Mesopotamians knew about Stephan's Quintet, but they didn't share their knowledge with other cultures because they wanted to keep it a secret. Of course, there are those who believe that ancient civilizations simply did not have the capacity to make such an incredible discovery. They argue that the idea of a galaxy cluster is too complex for ancient people to understand, and that the star map on the clay tablet is likely a coincidence. But if that's true, then how did the ancient Mesopotamians align the stars on the tablet so accurately? And how did they know which stars to include on the map and which ones to leave out? These are questions that scientists are still struggling to answer. Regardless of what the truth may be, one thing is certain: the discovery of the star map on the clay tablet has opened up a whole new world of possibilities. When it comes to our understanding of ancient civilizations, who knows what other secrets they may have hidden from us for so long? With continued research and exploration, we may just begin to scratch the surface of their incredible knowledge and understanding of the world around us. Now you need to watch what really happened to the Library of Alexandria, or check out this video instead.